Medellin, Colombia, home of Pablo Escobar, once considered the most dangerous city in the world. I was using Google Earth to browse around and noticed this hill on its outskirts and decided to climb it for a great view of the city. The problem was that I'd have to walk 6 kilometers through the city streets just to get to the beginning of the hike. I've used Google Maps to find the best route, and you're coming along. Welcome to Sweller Than Dweller. Well, right off the bat, we hit the first problem of the day. I was using the Cabify app, which is popular here in Colombia for ride sharing, but I was waiting like 15 or 20 minutes. No one wanted to accept my ride. So I'm sitting there waiting. Time is wasting away, so we're just gonna walk. The problem is, the actual hike up the Hill of Three Crosses, I think is just over 2 kilometers. But just to get there, we'll have to walk over 6. For one thing, we have to go right around the airport. Do you know how long runways are? But you know what? You're talking to Sweller Van Dweller, man. We just gotta make it happen. Hola! As far as the walk over here from Poblado, well, first part is okay. The middle part, when you get to the Poblado metro station and the traffic circle interchange there, a little sketchy. There's a lot of people wandering around there, and from then on, it's actually some nice, fairly quiet residential. And then the very last part, it's some pretty wealthy area, so it's all a-okay, no problemo. Okay, it's been 70 minutes and over 6 kilometers and a bunch of elevation gain. I don't know how much, we'll figure that out later. But we finally made it. We're at the trail and we can start the hike. Let's do it. Looks like we got the Virgin Mary praying for us as we start up. The trail is definitely well traveled, a little bit rugged. We've reached the halfway plateau. We're getting there. It is mighty hot though. The trail is actually pretty busy. It's popular with locals as a good exercise jaunt. Over halfway there. Wow, is it ever hot? Oh, I think we're getting close. We have done it again. Cerro de las Tres Cruces, Hill of Three Crosses, in Medellin, Colombia. Took just over 50 minutes. I think it's going to be just over 2 kilometers round trip. But then you got to add the over 12 from Poblado and a little bit more elevation. Times 2, because I got to get back. Grand total, it should be around 15 kilometers. And something over 300 meters, I don't know, 300 and a bit. So I'll put the grand total in the video so you can see when I know. Well, now that we're at the top, how about we do some exercise? Oh no, this climb wasn't the exercise. Because, you know, I'm a crazy lunatic. Now we gotta lift some weights. Made it back down. Only 300 meters, but sure felt like a lot more in the heat. It was so hot coming down, and I was getting a little bit dehydrated, I think, because I was getting dizzy. So, I couldn't resist. I had to stop at Burger King. First one I've seen in Colombia. And you know why it's good? Because they have unlimited refills. I'm gonna stick in here and stay cool and rehydrate. You gotta love when Burger King comes to the rescue. You know, in Burger King, I must have drank like 3 liters of pop. So the next problem is, can I make it all the way back without having to go to the baño and peeing my pants in the street? Well, stay tuned. The excitement is just never ending. So I found this bathroom at a shopping center. Look at this thing. Holy. This is the Ritz, man. This is style. I'm not sure what's up with the t-shirts flying up in the middle of the street. Well, I went to the baño before I left Burger King, and then I made it to the mall, and now I feel like I gotta go again. It's like an hour's walk. I'm bursting. Would it be inappropriate for me to pee in one of these flower beds? Probably with the diners on the sidewalk. Let's head back to the hostel, get refreshed, and then head out to a classic spot for something to eat. I've stopped in at the legendary La Casa de Pico for just 15,000 pesos or $3. Let's see what we get. We have soup. This mazamorra is a bit of a mystery, but it looks like milk, but when you dig into it, it's definitely got something that looks like corn. It's in place of a drink, and it's cold. Don't forget, we've even got a little dessert here. And then we've got chicken, vegetables, rice, plantain, and all-you-can-eat salad bar. This is incredible. All this food for $3. Next time on Sweller Van Dweller. Medellin, Colombia was once the most dangerous city in the world. And today we're heading into what was the most dangerous neighborhood there. Buckle up, my friends. We're heading into Comuna 13. Now the Colombians would probably say, oh, but you're not finished. Yeah, I'm finished. If you enjoyed that video, then you should watch this one next. And if you've seen that one, well then you should watch this one. And if you've watched them both, well then, you're one of my top subscribers, and I appreciate you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.